The Samoan word for today is fa'avave, which means like to hurry or go fast. And so hurry and go to the site. And right now I have this this digital download running for free. It's about time and numbers. And you can check out other digital downloads there that you can purchase. And also we have like stickers that you can put on the inside of your car window like this. So you can check that out on there too. The Samoan word of the day is fa'aloalo, which is respect. And I have more to come, so I'm really excited about those. They look great. So let's go over this digital download. You have uatalafia, which is literally, it struck the how many, right? So that's a common way to ask what time is it? Let's go over the numbers. We have selo, which is 0, tasi, kasi, lua, tolu or kolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu or fiku, valu, ivas, fulu. And then to make 11, 12, and so on until 20, you would just say sefulu and then the number. So you have sefulu, sefulu which is 10 and 1, so it's 11. Sefulua, which is 12, and so on and so forth. And then to make 20, 30, up until 100, you would put the number before the sefulu. So you'd say lua sefulu, which is 2 tens, right? So you have lua sefulu, tolu sefulu, and so on. And then you can do the same thing with silau, which is 100, and then afe, which is 1,000. And then you have common phrases or common terms with time. Itula or ikula is hour. Minute or minuke is minute. Sekone, second. Te or ke is past. Afa is half. Kwata or kwaka is quarter. Taimi or kaimi is time. Wati or waki, clock. So this clock says 12:20. Someone asks you, watalafia or okalafia, which is instruct how many, or they would just say oleale taimi or oleale kaimi, which is literally what is the time. So on here you'd say walus fulu minute ete ailes fulua. Or walus fulu minuke eke ailes fulua. So that's just saying it's 20 minutes past 12. And there you go. I'll run through this freebie digital download. But like I said, you can check out some other ones that you can purchase. And then even these beautiful guys right here.